This Ovace Plus Wash Cleanser gel is used to cleanse the skin and treat dandruff and other skin conditions, like seborrheic dermatitis. It can also help with certain bacterial skin infections. The active ingredient, sulfacetamide, is an antibiotic that works by stopping the growth of bacteria. It is recommended to use this product as directed by your healthcare professional. This wash cleanser gel is meant to be used only on the skin. You should wash the affected area with this product as directed by your doctor, usually twice daily, in the morning and evening, for 8 to 10 days. Wet the skin well, apply a generous amount to the affected areas, and gently massage the medication with your fingers until a full lather appears. Rinse well with plain water and pat the area dry. Avoid getting this medication in the eyes, nose, or mouth, or on the eyelids or lips. If you do get the medication in those areas, wash with plenty of water. How often you use this medication depends on your medical condition and response to treatment. At least once a week, wash your hair normally with regular, non-medicated, shampoo. Use this medication regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. Do not use more of this medication, use it more often, or keep using it for longer than prescribed. If too much dryness occurs, you may need to rinse the cleanser off sooner or use the product less often. As your condition improves, your doctor may direct you to use this product less often to keep your condition under control. Let your doctor know if your condition does not improve or if it worsens. When using Ovace Plus Wash Cleanser gel, you may experience redness, stinging, or burning of the skin. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist right away. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's essential to be aware of potential rare side effects. Rarely, serious side effects have occurred with other sulfa antibiotics taken by mouth. Although this effect is unlikely with sulfa medications applied to the skin, it's crucial to inform your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as joint pain, a butterfly-shaped rash around the nose and cheeks, unexplained fever, mouth sores, signs of infection, unusual weakness or tiredness, unusual bleeding or bruising, dark urine, or yellowing of the eyes and skin. Using this medication for prolonged or repeated periods may lead to a fungal skin infection. It's important to adhere to the prescribed duration of use and contact your doctor if you notice any new or worsening symptoms. While a very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's crucial to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects not listed, it's essential to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the United States, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Ovace Plus Wash Cleanser gel, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, especially to sulfonamides like sulfamethoxazole. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Also, inform your doctor or pharmacist about any broken, scraped, or injured skin in the affected area before using this medication. Be cautious of sun exposure while using this medication, as it may make you more sensitive to the sun. It's important to limit your time in the sun, avoid tanning booths and sun lamps, and use sunscreen and wear protective clothing when outdoors. If you get sunburned or have skin blisters/redness, be sure to inform your doctor right away. If you are planning to have surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. During pregnancy, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Ovace Plus Wash Cleanser gel, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Always keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's essential to consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. One specific product to be cautious of when using Ovace Plus Wash Cleanser gel is products containing silver that are applied to the skin, such as silver sulfadiazine. Be sure to discuss any concerns about potential interactions with your healthcare provider. If someone swallows this medicine by accident, it can be dangerous. If they have serious symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, call 911 or your local poison control center immediately. Symptoms of an overdose may include nausea, vomiting, and pink or red urine. Always be careful to keep this medication out of reach of children. Do not share this medication with others. This product may temporarily stain clothing, but the stain will usually wash out with normal cleaning. If you forget to use Ovace Plus Wash Cleanser gel, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and continue with your regular schedule. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Ovace Plus Wash Cleanser gel, make sure to keep it at room temperature and avoid freezing it. Different brands may have specific storage requirements, so refer to the package labeling or ask your pharmacist for the details. The medication may darken over time, but this does not affect its effectiveness or safety. Remember to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it's expired or no longer needed, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company on the proper way to discard it. Avoid flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.